Recipe time?
Recipe time.
Recipe time. The recipe today is a chicken salad sandwich, and it's super easy to make. You take a chicken breast or a couple chicken breasts and you chop them up into chunks. You can add celery to that, a couple celery stalks. Is that what you call
That's
it?
what you call them.
I call them sticks, but Drew corrects me all the time. A couple celery stalks, and if you like, you can put some chives in there or green onions. And what we don't use mayonnaise or recommend using mayonnaise, but we would use a non-dairy yogurt, but you could use a Greek yogurt as well. Some lemon juice, salt and pepper. And there you go. Sometimes we add in some dried cranberries. That tastes good in there too. And then you just put that on your bread. And there you got a healthy chicken salad sandwich.
It's absolutely delicious, so give that a try.